Yeah, I don't want to hog the press conference. One more question. One of our leading players, Leon Bailey, I'm sure you know about him. He hasn't played for the country since March, I think, or last year, November. And I think he was suspended by the federation recently. Yeah, he has been suspended by the federation. Are you aware of this situation, and what is it that you're going to be doing from now to get him back into the program?
Like everything I do with all the players, and you know, a big part of this is about recruitment. And I like that recruitment. I like connecting with players. I like talking with players. And the most important thing with Leon is to talk to him, to connect, to communicate. And it's a clean sheet. With me coming in, I know a little bit about the history. I know a little bit about what's going on. I understand top players. I understand them. And it's a conversation that we will definitely have. My intention, I only left Manchester on Monday. I come here to meet everybody. As soon as I go back, phone calls to all the players. Go see all the players. And quite fortunate, Leon is not far from where I live, so I'll be contacting in the car on the way to meet. See what the situation is, see what his mind is like. Because what I've heard from coaches, from Meron, what I've heard from the president, Mr. Speed, Mr. Chung, is that the boy's an asset. He's a damn good player, I know that. I suffered knowing that. And you need good players, but you need them to commit, and that's the important thing. So conversations with all these players is the most important thing on the agenda for me when I obviously get the next few days out the way. I go back and I speak to all the players. Who is committed for this dream, for this vision? Who wants to play in a World Cup? Who wants to play in a World Cup?